So Virtel, you can think of us as WordPress for VR. So we make the development and all of the kind of groundwork, the framework of everything a lot easier and more structured than it would be from starting from scratch. So we give you a good place to start in order to build your own VR experience without needing to do all of the kind of back-end work.
My background is in computer science, so most of my time I've spent making tools for other people to do their programming jobs easier.
At least for me, because I was on the engineering side, I had no, not desire, but not a real idea of what it would take to do a business. And so they had the Student Innovator of the Year, and I entered in as just a way of just showing off an idea and see if there was someone that would help me. And it really got me the connections that I needed in order to make it a viable option, and also learning the skills that I need in order to do it. I had no idea business models or revenue streams, and it was a foreign concept to me. And so it's been very helpful, especially here. We've had all these training sessions that we've gone to, and they've gone through and talked about, okay, this is what you need to do for your business plan. This is what you guys need to do to validate your product. And it's making it more of a reality that, yeah, this is something I could do as a living versus just as a hobby.
Something that the Rollins Center helped us out with was the I-Core grant. So we were able to do that and be able to go validate at TechCrunch Disrupt last September. And it was really amazing to be able to see people's reaction to a very basic prototype that we kind of coded 12 hours before we were supposed to be there. And really see these kind of top tech people in Silicon Valley get really excited about what we were doing. And so I think that helped propel us kind of to the next step of we can actually take this seriously and build a company off of this. One of our big goals is being able to democratize really the creation of VR. So instead of having it be a select few of really talented programmers and only they can create something in VR, we want to make it so anyone can create really powerful experiences in VR to be able to tell their story and communicate what everyone kind of wants to see.